Every time we race, every time we travel around the country, we take our B-double with 62 tonnes, full of equipment, full of everything, spares, etc., to ensure that we're prepared for any eventuality at the racetrack. Going to New Zealand, it's a little bit harder. We only have 6 tonnes to fit into 2 containers, and we're going to be really selective about what we want, what we're going to take. So a lot of planning, a lot of preparation goes in to make sure we're well set for going racing at Puke.
You put all the big things in, heavy things first. We weigh it all, so we know exactly what we've got, how much room and weight we've got to play with. And then we just try and fit everything in. Once it's full, you cannot actually see a spare bit of space in there.
We prepare for this round all year, but after Sandown, the pace picks up and we've got to set ourselves and get everything rolling. Right now, we're a week out from getting to the racetrack, but the cars are going to go on the plane this weekend, and so are the containers. So today's pack day. All of that planning and preparation will go through to see that we get to Pukekohe and we're well set for a big round.
Marine Protect is NTI's marine insurance specialist offering. So we have 4 products within that, the commercial hull, marine liability, carriers and cargo, which is my particular specialty. Insureds like Walkinshaw are perfect because they're specialists in their field. We love dealing with specialists. So they know everything there is to do about supercars, and we know everything there is to do about marine insurance. So we work together to make them comfortable that if anything should go wrong, which hopefully it won't, but we'll be there to help them get back on their feet as soon as possible.
I should get nervous seeing all of this equipment having to go overseas, but you know what? We've got NTI backing us with marine cover, and to be honest, relaxed. We know that they've got us all the way, and you've got to be confident, you've got to know that they got your back in any eventuality. So to be honest, no, not really that nervous.
Marine Protect and cargo insurance is vital. When something goes wrong, we need to be able to help our insureds get back on their feet as soon as possible. They can focus on race day, we'll focus on the behind the scenes.
Our relationship with NTI has grown and grown. They've been with us for 3 or 4 years now, and in that respect, each year we find other ways to collaborate and add cover and value in the relationship. So going to New Zealand, they're going to cover us all the way, but everything from when we move our truck around the country to a lot of the stuff we do in our Walkinshaw group, NTI have got our backs. So it's really cool, it's a really strong relationship. Looking forward to a long, long time with them.